Dear students, do you remember me? Last time when we met, we also had some friends. Who are they? Do you remember those friends? Then can you tell their names? Yes, Motu, then Mintu. Who else was there with them? Yes, Purva. Purva of your age. Then who was in our story? Motu and Mintu's mother. There was one more person was there. Who was that? Yeah, tell me. Yes, it is the monkey. What happened in our story? Along with Purva, Mintu and Motu, we have studied many things, isn't it? I want to know how many of you remember what we have studied. Yes, louder please. Yes, we have studied about half. What is half? We know that if whole is divided into two equal parts, one part is called half. How will you represent half? As 1 upon 2. Good. What are the other things you studied there? You have also studied equivalent forms of half. What are the equivalence forms you studied about half? Do you remember? Yes, 4 upon 8. Then 5 upon 10. Okay, let me ask a question. Is 1 upon 4 is an equivalent form of half? Who told that? Yes, it is not equivalent form of half. Why? Because 4 is not the double of 1. Very good. I know that all of you are very good students. Okay, what we will do today? Yes, I remember. Today we will tell one more story about Motu and Mintu, their new adventure.
The next day, Motu and Mintu told their mother about Purva and how she fed them with chapati. Mother was making paratha and told, "Give it to your friend Purva, don't forget to tell thanks." Both of them leaves home to meet Purva. They find Purva playing in the park with her friend. Motu and Mintu goes to Purva and gives paratha to her. She felt very happy and introduces her friend Munna to them and invites everyone to eat paratha. Motu and Mintu starts thinking what to do. If only 2 were there, they know how to divide it equally. They have learned yesterday, but now there are 4.
In how many parts we divided the paratha? 4. So we can say that each part is 1/4 of the paratha. Hence, each part can be called quarter. It can be represented as 1 upon 4. Now, suppose we divide the paratha into 8 equal parts. How many parts we should give to each person to get equal share? Yes, 2 parts. that is 2 out of 8, which can be represented as 2 upon 8. So, 2 upon 8 is an equivalent form of 1 upon 4. Can you find some other equivalent forms of 1 upon 4? That means quarter. Yes, 3 upon 12 is an equivalent form of 1 upon 4. How did you get this? Yes, you know that 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, now you got the idea. So, can you tell one more number equivalent to quarter? Now you got the idea, isn't it? 10 upon 40. How do you got? If you multiply 10 with 4, you will get 40. Now, you try to make some other numbers equivalent to quarter. Let us do one activity. Take a rectangular sheet of paper. Fold it like this. You should fold it equally. Again you fold it equally. Once again you fold it. Fold it one more time equally. Okay, now you got a small sheet of paper. Open it. How many small boxes you can see? Count it. I want to color 1/4 of it. That means quarter of it. Then how many boxes I should color? Now, you have divided the paratha into 4 equal parts. The same thing you can do with a chocolate bar also, or a rectangular sheet of paper also. But is that the only way to do that one? Let us think. Let us take a sheet of paper like this. We will fold it equally to make it half. Now, how to make it half again? We have learned many ways. Let us do it by folding it diagonally like this. Now, once you open, you will get like this. So, Each of this part is 1/4. So each quarter will be looking like this. Coming back to the story, I will ask you one more question. How many parts of parota did Motu, Mintu and Purva all together got? Each one got a quarter. So all of them together got 3 quarters. It can be written as 3/4. Can you find equivalent forms of 3/4? Yes, 6/8 is equivalent to 3/4. Yes, 30/40 is also equivalent to 3/4. Very good. Now take your notebook and write down other equivalent forms of 3/4.
After eating paratha, Munna told them an incident happened in the market. Munna told, "There was a guy Kuntu. He is very greedy. He wants to buy pumpkin for just 10 rupees. He asked the first pumpkin seller the price. Seller 1 told, quarter of pumpkin for 10 rupees.
Then how much one full pumpkin cost? Yes, 40 rupees.
But did Kuntu buy pumpkin for that rate? No, because he was very greedy. Is the second seller sells pumpkin cheaper than the first one? Yes, but is Kuntu happy? No, he was very greedy. He wants to get pumpkin in a more cheaper price.
If half of the pumpkin cost rupees 10, how much a full pumpkin cost? 20. Is it cheaper than the previous seller? Can you guess what our Kuntu has done?
Kuntu goes to another seller and asks, "Give me a full pumpkin for just 10 rupees. Seller 3 says, "Why don't you climb the roof of that house? You can get the pumpkin for free from the plant."
Did you like the story? What was the problem with Kuntu? Yes, he was greedy. We should not be greedy like Kuntu. Have you gone to market with your parents? What did you purchase? Yes, vegetables. Let me check whether you went to market really or not. I will ask you a question. Those who went to market can answer immediately. Yesterday I went to market to purchase 3 quarters of potato. The shopkeeper was selling potato at the rate of rupees 20 per kilogram. How much amount I should pay? Let me see who answers correctly. Louder, I can't hear you. Yes, correct answer. How many quarter kilograms forms 1 kilogram? 4. What is the cost of 1 kilogram? 20 rupees. Then how much a quarter kilogram cost? What you should do? Divide 20 with 4. So you will get 5. how many kilograms I want? 3 quarters. So, how much it will cost? 3 times 5 rupees 50. Very good. Let me ask one more question. Do you know how many grams is 3 quarter kilogram? Okay. How many grams is 1 kilogram? 1000 grams. So, how many grams is 1/4 of 1 kilogram? It is 250 grams. Now, let me ask one more question. How many grams is 3 quarters of a kilogram? Let us check. How many grams are 1 kilogram? 1000 grams. So, how many grams is a quarter kilogram? What you should do? Divide 1000 by 4. So, 1 quarter kilogram is 250 grams. So, how many grams is 3 quarter of a kilogram? It is 3 times 250 grams, which is 750 grams.
Can you help Purva? Purva is going to market. She had a list with her. What are the items in the list? Carrot quarter kg, onion half kg, pumpkin 2 kg. She has only rupees 60 with her. Can she buy all the things in her list?
Friends, what we have learned today? We have learned along with Motu, Mintu, Purva and their friends about quarters, 3 quarters, equivalence forms of quarters and 3 quarters, how to write quarter and 3 quarter in number form. Also we learned to solve problems of going to market, calculating, all these things you have studied. There are many activities in your textbook. Try to solve all the activities yourself. Okay, bye. See you later.